Good day, I'm Tamara McHale, and this is your JIS news for Monday, July 6. Jamaica's Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park has finally been added to UNESCO's prestigious World Heritage List after years of advocacy by the Culture Ministry. World Heritage status is given to natural and cultural sites that are considered to be of outstanding universal value. The designation opens up new realms for Jamaica in tourism, research, and the promotion of local-based initiatives. UNESCO's World Heritage Committee announced the inscription of the Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park on July 3 during its 39th session, now taking place in Bonn, Germany. It's the first World Heritage Site for Jamaica and is one of only 32 mixed sites globally, as it is identified as both a cultural and natural heritage site. In her statement to the World Heritage Committee, Culture Minister Lisa Hanna expressed gratitude for their recognition of the site's extraordinary natural and cultural values. She assured the committee that the Jamaican government was committed to providing the additional financial resources and management needed to maintain the site. Jamaica has been one of the 21 states serving on the committee since 2013 and is represented by the Acting Principal Director of Culture and Creative Industries in the Culture Ministry, Dr. Janice Lindsay, and Director for the Natural History Museum, Tracy Comock.
We will remain resolute as members of the World Heritage Committee to uphold the tenets of the Convention and to serve the interests of small island developing states in World Heritage.
Government is moving to strengthen the capacity of the Office of the National Rapporteur for Trafficking in Persons. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner says Cabinet has approved the Public Order Committee's recommendation to equip the office with additional tools so it can function more effectively.
The office has been challenged by a lack of staff to conduct investigations. The office is to submit as a matter of urgency a proposal outlining the short and medium-term needs to enable it to properly function.
Senator Faulkner was addressing the recent Jamaica House media briefing. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips says Jamaica has benefited from close to $3 billion in concessionary financing and balance of payments relief under the Petro-Caribbean Energy Corporation Agreement since its establishment in 2005.
This figure represents the largest source of concessionary financing that has been available to the government and people of Jamaica over this period.
Dr. Phillips was speaking at a recent commemorative reception to mark the 10th anniversary of the signing of the Petro-Caribbean Agreement. The finance minister said the funds had helped to stabilize the country's foreign exchange market and balance of payment accounts. He said the agreement had also safeguarded the country's energy security and facilitated funds for unlending to social projects. The Petro-Caribbean Agreement was established by the Venezuelan government in response to increasing international oil prices. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says the recently passed Copyright Amendment Act should be used as an incentive to those interested in joining Jamaica's creative sector. He says the amendments to the act are tremendous for Jamaica's intellectual capital. Among other things, the act has extended the term of protection for intellectual property from 50 to 95 years.
Other countries have done parts of it. Jamaica has gone the entire way and extended to 95 years, which really gives creatives an incentive and says to them that if you spend your life creating works, you will enjoy some of it yourself, but you'll also lay a foundation for your family.
Minister Hilton was speaking at a JIS think tank on Thursday. The Copyright Amendment Act was passed by both houses of Parliament in June. And finally, proceeds from this year's staging of the Denby Agricultural Show will be used to renovate the showground, making it an all-year income-generating facility. President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, Senator Norman Grant, made the disclosure at a recent JIS think tank.
We are projecting to generate revenues in the region of $75 million with estimated costs of some $65 million. So we're looking for a surplus of about $10 million, which will be reinvested in the development of the showground.
The JAS is getting approximately $42 million in sponsorship to support Denby 2015. Over 120,000 people are expected to attend to the show, which will run from July 31 to August 2. Gates will open daily at 8 a.m. and admission is $800 for adults and $300 for children. It will be held under the theme, Grow What You Eat. Eat what you grow, making agriculture sustainable. And that's it for today's JIS News. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.